Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's lecture number 2 on the biology of the grade 12 chapter 14 respiration. In the lecture number 1 I discussed about the basics of the respiratory system, the difference between the internal respiration and the external respiration, and the properties of the respiratory system, the parts of the respiratory tract, the upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. If you want the details of these, you can go through for the lecture number 1. In this video, I will discuss about the external structures of the lungs and the internal structures of the lung. Basically, lungs is the principal organ of the respiration. Without lung, respiration is impossible. Major organ है जहाँ पे respiration होती है. The lung is conical in shape. As you can see in the diagram, it is of cone shape. Then both lungs are resting on the diaphragm. Lower part जो इनका होता है वो diaphragm के ऊपर जो है वो मौजूद होता है एंड द एपेक्स जो ऊपर टॉप इनके एजेस होते हैं दिस इज नोन एज एपेक्स एंड दीज एक्सटेंड टू द पॉइंट्स जस्ट अबव द क्लैविकल जो हमारी क्लैविकल बोन होती है उस पॉइंट तक ये एक्सटेंड हुए हुए होते हैं देन बोथ लंग्स आर सेपरेटेड मीडियली मीन्स मिड से ये सेपरेट हुए हुए होते हैं बाय हार्ट लंग्स के दरमियान में हार्ट मौजूद है एंड मेडिएस्टियम दिस इज द एरिया बिटवीन द लंग्स ये जो एरिया आपको नज़र आ रहा है जो स्पेस है यहाँ पे हार्ट मौजूद होता है एंड मेडिएस्टियम कहलाता है सो right lungs has 3 lobes namely superior lobe middle lobe and the inferior lobe and the left lung has the 2 lobes namely superior lobe and the inferior lobe. Why the left lung has 2 lobes and the right lung has 3 lobes? Because left lungs share the space with the heart. That's why it is smaller than the right lungs. The hilum is a triangular shaped depression where the blood vessels and the air passage into the lungs and makes a depression which is known as hilum. Now discuss about the internal structures of the lungs. The lungs are spongy due to the presence of alveoli. As you know, the alveoli is made up of the simple squamous epithelial cells and the gases exchange occur in the alveoli and over 700 million alveoli are present in the lungs. I will play the video. You can see the process of breathing here. It is the right lung and it is the left. Right bronchus, air passageway enters into the lungs from the hilum and the left, and that's the diaphragm where the trachea windpipe provides the air flow for respiration. In the next video, I will discuss about the mechanism of breathing. Thanks for watching it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.